Hello students, we are discussing practicals of graph theory. Today we are going to discuss an example from practical number 2. Here we have given two sequences and we want to check whether these two sequences are graphical or not. First we will solve this example. First we will check this sequence is graphical or not. So I am writing given sequence as S. So for example 1, let S is 6, 5, 5, 4, 3, 3, 3, 2, comma 2. 6, 5, 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2. 4, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2. So I have written given sequence as S. First condition, the necessary condition for sequence to be graphical are, first is sum of degrees of all vertices in graph G is always even. We know this result. So our first step is to check whether sum of all elements in S is even or not. And second is to check whether number of odd vertices. We know that number of odd vertices in every graph is always even. So number of odd terms in S is even or not. So first we will check degree sum and then we will check number of odd vertices. Okay. So what is degree sum? So sum of all terms in S is 6 plus 5 11 plus 5 16 20 26 29 21 31 33. So sum is 6 plus 5 11 11 plus 5 16 16 plus 4 20 23 26 29 31 and 33. So sum is 33, which is an odd number. So we can immediately conclude that this sequence is not graphical because sum of degrees of all vertices in every graph G is even. But we know that sum of degrees of all vertices in every graph is always even, and this number 33 is an odd number, so that implies S is not graphical sequence. S is not graphical sequence. Or we can write, we cannot draw a graph with degree sequence S. That implies we cannot draw a graph with degree sequence S, and it will imply S is not graphical. S is not graphical. Since first condition is not satisfied, so we are not going to check whether the number of odd terms in sequence are odd or even. Now we will go for second sequence. So for second, let S is 3, 3, 3, 1. Our first step is calculate the sum of all entries in given sequence. So sum of all elements in S is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 10, is an even number. And next step is to check whether number of odd vertices in S are even or odd. So if number of odd vertices or number of odd terms in S are odd, then we can immediately conclude S is not graphical. But here number of odd terms are 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 terms are odd terms and 4 is an even number. Also, number of odd terms in S is 4 which is equal to even number. So that implies S can be graphical. These two conditions are necessary conditions. So I am writing here S can be graphical. We are not concluding S will definitely graphical. So S can be graphical. Now we will apply Havel-Akimi theorem to S to check whether S is graphical or not. So Havel-Akimi theorem. What is Havel-Akimi theorem? Havel-Akimi theorem. A sequence of non-negative, non-increasing terms, non-increasing integers S, d1, d2 and so on dp is graphical if and only if S dash d2 minus 1, d3 minus 1 and so on, d1 plus 1 minus 1, d1 plus 2 and so on dp is graphical. So we are going to apply Havel-Akimi theorem to this sequence S. So S is, consider S is 3, 3, 3, 1. So by applying Havel-Hakimi theorem to S, we get S1 as what? How to apply Havel-Hakimi theorem to given sequence? This is D1, this is D2, this is D3, this is D4. We subtract 1 from first D1 term starting from D2. That means we subtract 1 from first D1. That is first 3 terms. This is our D1. So we subtract 1 from D1 terms, that is 3 terms, starting from D2. What is D2? It is D2. So starting from D2, we consider first D1 terms, that is starting from this term, we consider first 3 terms, 1, 2, 3, and we will subtract 1 from this underlying terms and get S1. So what is S1? 2, 2, 0. Now if you observe S1 is a sequence with 3 terms where 2 terms are 2 and 1 term is 0. That means if there exists a graph corresponding to S1, say G1, then it will be a graph on 3 vertices with 1 vertex, with 2 vertices with degree 0, degree 2 and 1 vertex with degree 0, and it will not happen. So I am writing here, suppose G1 is a graph corresponding to sequence S1, then G1 is a graph on 3 vertices where 2 vertices have degree 2 and 1 vertex has a degree 0, and it is not possible. I am drawing a graph 1, 2, 3. We want a graph on 3 vertices with 2 vertices with degree 0. We want 2 vertices with degree 2. So this is vertex with degree 2, and if I want to make this vertex with degree 2, then these 2 are vertices with degree 2, but remaining vertex has not degree 0. So we cannot draw such a graph where number of vertices is 3, 2 vertices with degree 2 and 1 vertex with degree 0. So S1 is not graphical. So I have written, then G1 is a graph on 3 vertices where 2 vertices have degree 2 and 1 vertex has degree 0. This is not possible. possible. Therefore, S1 is not graphical, and our Halley-Lakimi theorem is what? S is graphical if and only if S dash is graphical. So here S1 is not graphical, so it will imply S is also not graphical. This is not possible, therefore S1 is not graphical. Therefore, by Halley-Lakimi theorem, S is not graphical. If S is not graphical. Okay. So you may take screenshot of this. We will explain another example of this type in our next video.